Nano Banana just made the logo making process much easier, and I'm excited to show you step by step how you can use it to create professional logos in today's video. To access Nano Banana, we are going to be using Google Gemini, and you can access it via gemini.google.com, like you can see up here. So this is the interface of Gemini. And currently we are using that 2.5 flash model, and all you have to do is to come down here where there is tools, and you're going to click on this option just like this. You'll see a variety of options available, but right now we are interested in this particular one, which is create images with Nano Banana. This icon represents other tool, Nano Banana. Okay, so you're going to click on that just like that. And then, like you can see up here, they are telling you to describe your image. I already have a prompt ready that we are going to be using. It's very, very simple and straightforward. It says, I am starting an events planning business, and my business name is Rocker World. Create me a professional logo for my business. So all you have to do is to click on this option of submit and wait for the results that this tool is going to provide you with. Like you can see on the screen over here, our image is now ready. So if you're happy with these results, all you have to do is to click on this option of download, and that way you'll be able to download your logo. But I want us to challenge it even more, and we see if you can get new results. So I'm just going to put a new prompt that says generate a new design, and we see what it's going to create for us this time around. And like you can see, there we have it. So what if we want to change the text? So I'm going to give it a new prompt that says change the font style, change the font style to beautiful calligraphy. Beautiful calligraphy. Okay, so let's click on that. Let's submit. So like you can see, these are the results, and we have our font style changed into the calligraphy that we want to work with. However, it changed the color from the dark blue to something gold, but you can fix that as well with just a prompt, okay? So I want to challenge it to create a new design with the same font style, okay? So I'm going to say create a new design with the same font same font style, but uh, use a different visible color. Okay, so we are going to submit this to see what we are going to get this time around. So like you can see, we have a new logo with a different color, and it still has the same font style that we asked for. Now, I liked the blue better, and I'm going to be giving it a new prompt to change that. However, if you're happy with the results you have, you can go ahead and click on download. But I want you guys to stick around because I'm going to show you how you can generate images, and then you insert the logo into a particular image, for example, like a t-shirt. Then later on, I'll show you maybe how you can even create more images that you can turn into videos to promote different products with your logo, or to promote your business, whatever you want to do. So stick around to the end of this video so that you can benefit even more. So guys, like I said, I was going to do this off screen, and these are the results I was able to attain. So if you want to know the exact prompt I used for this, it says change the logo image design, okay? Put that in mind. to something new, but keep color and text the same. And this is how the results turned out like. Like you can see, this is different from the image we had for our logo. If you scroll back up, like you can see, these are two different images, okay? So this is what we are going to be working with. And now we are going to challenge it to put the logo onto a t-shirt. So I'm just going to tell it, insert our logo onto a beautiful, okay, no need for it to be beautiful, onto a white t-shirt. Okay, let's keep it simple like that. Then we are going to click on submit to see what we are going to get. And guys, there we have it, our design beautifully placed on to the t-shirt. So we are going to challenge it even more, and we ask it to generate for us an image where people are actually wearing this exact t-shirt. Okay, so let's input our new prompt, which says generate an image of an event setup with a team of 3 people wearing that exact t-shirt. So let's click on submit to see if we are going to get beautiful results. I'm super excited. In the meantime, guys, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support this channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and let's proceed. Like you can see on the screen over here, we have a team of 3 people, as we asked or as we requested, setting up tables. But like you can see, they are wearing our exact t-shirt with our, logo. Okay, so this turned out beautifully well. And all we are going to do is to click on this option of download to download this image. Then I'm going to show you how you can turn it into a video just right now. To turn this image into a video that we can use on our different social media platforms or even our website, we are going to have to open a new chat over here after downloading the image. So let's click on new chat over here, and like you can see, we are going to come back on this option of tools, and this time we are going to select this option of create videos with VEO. So you're going to go ahead and attach the image that you want to turn into a video. So I'm going to do that really quick. And once it's done uploading, it's going to look like this, okay? So all you have to do is to put a prompt that commands how you want the image to turn out like. So since we didn't focus on anything, my prompt is super easy. It says, turn the attached image into a video that I can use on my event planning website. Let's click on submit to see the results we are going to get. As you can see over here, our image is now ready, and all we have to do is to click on play to see how it turned out like. And that's it, guys. That's how the image to video tool works as well. I just want to hear from you guys what you think about this tool. Will you be exploring it for your logo designs, or it's a complete no? I think the images really turned out great. I loved how everything turned out like, but I would like to know your opinion, okay? So guys, with all that being said, this brings us to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.